What's up guys, hope your day is going well. Yes, I care about you, and that's why in today's video we're going to be going over the 10 rules of money. Hopefully you can learn something from this and be better at managing and handling your money. Make sure to like, comment below and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you're notified whenever a video is uploaded. Alright, let's get straight into it. Money doesn't change people, it just shows who they really are. A lot of people think that once someone comes into some money they end up changing as a person, when really money only magnifies their character and personality for what it really is. If they were an intelligent, respectable and well-mannered individual before, then this only gets further magnified. Same way, if before they were the opposite, nothing would have changed besides this only being more noticeable now. The lesson you can learn from this is that money isn't an excuse for how good or bad a person is. Invest time before investing money. Before investing all your hard-earned money into something, spend time on learning and understanding what you're trying to invest into. If it's a certain type of business you want to invest into, try to learn and understand the market it's in, the consumers and suppliers and everything that's relevant to it. Learn from other people's failures and success and use this to further improve your chances of succeeding yourself. This way, when you do invest money into your idea, it will get you a lot further. Spend less than you earn. This is very simple. Instead of overspending and spending outside of your budget, spend well within your means. Just because you can buy something doesn't mean you can afford it. Unless you're able to buy something a few times over, a lot of the time it doesn't make sense to buy it in the first place. This will help make sure you're not spending unnecessarily on things you don't need, and your priorities, things like your bills and expenses, are taken care of. The more you learn, the more you earn. The more you learn, the more knowledge, skills and experience you eventually attain, which increases your value and what you bring to the table. Not only are these skills applicable to a company who you bring solutions to for their problems, it's also applicable to your own business. Either way, this means you'll be earning more for the skill set that you have, because it means you'll be capable of carrying out more complex tasks. Don't chase money, let it chase you. Don't let this one go over your heads. Instead of chasing after money and running out of breath, let the money run towards you. If possible, instead of working a job where you're providing a low skill service to others and getting paid for it only 12 times a year, provide a product or a high skill service that others will seek you out for. This means people will come to you to spend their money on your product or service. You won't have to go anywhere or to anyone. One more time. Instead of running after money, have and provide something that attracts it. Money gets bored sitting in the bank. Money that stays in the bank doing nothing depreciates in value over time through reduction in currency value. Money eventually has to get spent one way or another. It's important to make your money work for you and also to know how. Investing your money in suitable avenues and having it gradually grow and increase is better than just having it sit in the bank. This is what will help you nurture and grow your wealth in the long term. Money will only solve your money problems and nothing more. Don't be caught up in a fantasy where you think money will solve all of your problems once you get it. A lot of people come into money and are surprised that they still have a lot of the same problems that they had before they had the money. If you have money, your rent, bills and expenses are paid, of course. You and your family can live more comfortably, but if you were unhappy before, then having money won't change your situation. There are people that have money and there are people that are wealthy. Some people have money and this is shown through the kind of cars they drive, the houses they live in and the clothes that they wear and their extravagant lifestyle. Whereas other people are wealthy and this is shown through their multiple successful businesses, multiple properties and multiple streams of income that not only they have but their families have and their future families will inherit. I will let you decide which one out of the two you think is better. Don't spend money before you've earned it. This one is really simple. If you don't have the money, don't spend it. Don't spend money knowing it's payday in 2 weeks. Instead, wait until you have the money before spending it. Doing the opposite can turn into a really bad habit and have you in a situation where you're now having to borrow money to cover bills because you spent all of your money. This will cause cash flow problems in the future and will have you end up spending more money than you would have had you spent it once you actually had it. Money doesn't grow on trees unless you plant the right seeds. They say money doesn't grow on trees, or does it? If you spend time and effort nurturing, growing and maintaining your streams of income, which could be your businesses, or even working on the knowledge and skill sets you can provide, it will pay off in the long run in abundance. Think of all of these things as plants. The better you nurture and care for them, the more they will grow and the healthier they will be, and the more you receive back from them in the long run. That's it for today's video guys. Hope you've enjoyed it and learned something new. As always, make sure to comment, like, subscribe and turn on the notification bells for when the next video drops. I appreciate everyone that's already subscribed, and if you like the content that you've been seeing so far, feel free to share with friends and family and recommend it to them. Until next time everyone, peace.